Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about China Minsheng Banking Corp Limited, latest report. China Minsheng Banking Corp Limited offers a wide range of banking products and services to its customers. At the core of its operations are deposit products such as saving accounts, deposit books and certificates, contracted and agreement deposits, call deposits, and corporate term and current deposits. The company also provides various loan options including personal housing mortgage, individual automobile purchase, household composite loans, corporate loans, medium and long-term working capital loans, and short-term working capital loans. In addition to these, it offers debit and credit cards for its customers' convenience. China Minsheng Banking Corp. Limited extends its services beyond banking products by providing various payment and remittance options such as appointed and domestic remittance, payment and collection agent, clearing, safe deposit box, VIP, and salary and welfare agent card services. The company also offers internet, mobile, telephone, and self-serve banking services for the convenience of its customers. Furthermore, China Minsheng Banking Corp. Limited provides specialized financial services including gross settlement, wages distribution agency and letter of guarantee, cash management, trade finance, industrial chain finance, international credit, and comprehensive credit granting and financial product investment services to cater to the diverse needs of its corporate and individual customers. The income statement shows that the company revenue have been declining annually and operating income have not been increasing. This shows that the business is under pressure with rising cost and its management is unable to expand the business. The primary drivers of revenue growth for a financial institution can be categorized into several key areas. Firstly, serving the real economy through core businesses and pursuing differentiated development has been a significant driver of growth. This is evident in the increase in loans to sci-tech enterprises, green loans, and mid to long-term loans for the manufacturing sector. Another crucial factor is the expansion of digital services, including technology-driven ecobank innovation, data-driven intelligent bank growth, and customer-centric services. The institution has also strengthened its customer group management, optimized its business layout, and increased support for key areas such as the manufacturing industry and 5 major sectors. The growth of low-cost deposits, non-interest income through new services and products, and enhanced investment capabilities have also contributed to revenue growth. Furthermore, the expansion of financing connections to all foreign trade enterprises, NSOEs, sci-tech innovation enterprises, and MSEs has increased the balance of inclusive loans in supply chains. In terms of specific business areas, the institution has seen significant growth in corporate clients, with daily average deposits exceeding RMB 500,000, SME customers with balance of loans, and personal pension accounts. The scale of corporate annuity under custody has also increased, as well as the number of upgraded private banking customers from the wealth management customer group. On the other hand, the primary drivers of revenue decline include a decrease in total liabilities, adverse changes in interest rates and maturity structure, loss on the economic value and overall revenue of banking book, and currency fluctuations. The net income and profit margins of the company underwent significant changes between 2024 and 2025. Initially, the net income increased by 4.92% in 2024, but this growth was short-lived as it decreased by 5.37% from 2024 to 2025. However, certain segments showed remarkable growth, such as the Bank Enterprise Direct Connect customers, which led to a 35.18% increase in net income. In terms of profit margins, the net interest margin increased by 1 BP to 1.4%, while return on average assets and return on weighted average equity decreased by 0.03% and 0.25%, respectively. The operating income, net interest income, and net non-interest income also showed varying degrees of growth, with net non-interest income increasing by 14.86%. However, interest income decreased by 11.24%. The company's cost structure also underwent changes, with the cost ratio of deposits decreasing by 40 BP to 1.74% and the cost ratio of interbank liabilities decreasing by 46 BP to 1.81%. These changes suggest that the company is optimizing its costs and improving its profitability. Overall, while there were fluctuations in net income and profit margins, certain segments showed significant growth, indicating a positive trend for the company's financial performance. The company's financial performance has shown a consistent trend of generating positive operating cash flow in recent years. According to the data provided on page 278, the company recorded an operating cash flow of $117,838 in 2025 and $117,587 in 2024. These figures indicate that the company is successfully managing its operations and generating sufficient cash to cover its expenses, resulting in a positive operating cash flow. This trend suggests that the company's financial health is stable and improving over time. The company's debt level has undergone significant changes over the past year. While there are discrepancies in the data, it appears that the total debt level has increased by 1.25% to 11.4%, with some instances showing a decrease of 0%. However, one notable instance shows a substantial increase of 147.6% from $2,876,681 to $7,129,370. On the other hand, interest expenses have decreased significantly across various categories and overall. The total interest expenses have decreased by -19.47%, with some instances showing a decrease as high as -31.5%. This suggests that the company has managed to reduce its interest expenses despite changes in its debt level. The company's performance across various segments and regions has been mixed. On the positive side, the supply chain business, SMEs business, custody business, agency business in financial markets, co-branded credit cards with Sam's Club, and corporate banking have all shown significant growth. The supply chain business saw a rapid increase in customers and financing, while SMEs business experienced a 23% rise in balance of loans. The custody business exceeded RMB 13 trillion for the first time, and agency business in financial markets recorded high transaction volumes in foreign exchange, credit bonds, and accumulation funds. Co-branded credit cards with Sam's Club also reached a milestone of over 1.3 million cumulative card issuances. Corporate banking saw an increase in operating income and profit before income tax. In contrast, the retail banking segment performed poorly, with a decrease in profit before income tax by 3.1% in 2024. The others category also experienced a decline in operating income by 23.8% in 2024. These underperforming segments highlight areas where the company needs to focus on improvement and strategy adjustments to regain momentum. Management is emphasizing a strengthened focus on customer management, risk control, and revenue growth. The company aims to consolidate customers, products, services, and management, while deepening its integrated management system for various customer segments. In terms of strategy, the company is focusing on green finance, comprehensive services for the entire industry chain, and supporting key customers with green development needs. It is also developing a multi-level pension insurance system and enriching investment products for corporate annuity accounts. The company plans to upgrade its custody product and service system, I+, in 2025, and build a distinctive custody bank focused on core asset management products. Additionally, it aims to maintain steady development trend, speed up reform and transformation, stabilize scale, optimize structure, control risks, and increase revenue through Minsheng Financial Leasing. Management is also prioritizing the implementation of national policy orientation, supporting high-quality development of the group, enriching product strategies, innovating product formats, and launching industry-first product series. The company aims to enhance investment research capabilities, release indicators with provincial characteristics to support national development strategy, advance quantity reduction and quality improvement of rural banks. Furthermore, management is adjusting and optimizing its credit structure, achieving relatively rapid growth in loans to key areas, decreasing the scale of the bill discounting business, and establishing a comprehensive governance framework for internal capital adequacy evaluation. The company is also proactively responding to changes in external risk situations, establishing a comprehensive forward-looking risk management concept, strengthening analysis and assessment of macroeconomic conditions and policy requirements. In terms of long-term strategic objectives, management is promoting a performance culture, guiding senior management to implement the bank's overall strategic deployments, and supervising and evaluating the implementation of strategies. The company aims to advance the bank's social responsibility and ESG goals, proactively implementing national policies and regulatory requirements. Overall, management is emphasizing the importance of customer management, risk control, revenue growth, green finance, comprehensive services, and long-term strategic objectives in driving the company's future success. The acquisitions made by China Minsheng Bank are notable. One significant acquisition is the merger by absorption of several Minsheng rural banks, which has likely expanded the bank's reach and customer base. Additionally, the bank acquired Minsheng Financial Leasing and Minsheng Royal Fund, indicating a strategic move to diversify its services and offerings. These acquisitions demonstrate China Minsheng Bank's commitment to growth and expansion through strategic partnerships and mergers. By acquiring these entities, the bank has likely enhanced its capabilities and increased its market presence. The company's financial performance for the year 2025 has been marked by several notable developments. One significant aspect is its decision to distribute cash dividends to shareholders. This move reflects a commitment to returning value to investors and demonstrates confidence in the company's financial health. A closer look at the dividend distribution reveals that each shareholder received RMB 0.53 per 10 shares, resulting in a total payout of RMB 8,274 million. This substantial amount underscores the company's ability to generate significant cash flows from its operations. By distributing dividends, the company is able to reward its shareholders and provide them with a tangible return on their investment. The payment of dividends also suggests that the company has maintained a strong financial position throughout 2025. The fact that it was able to distribute such a large amount of cash to shareholders indicates a high level of profitability and liquidity. This in turn bodes well for the company's future prospects and provides reassurance to investors about its ability to generate value over time. In conclusion, the payment of dividends by the company is a positive development that reflects its commitment to shareholder value creation. The substantial amount distributed to shareholders serves as a testament to the company's financial strength and its ability to generate significant cash flows from its operations. That concludes the financial summary for China Minsheng Banking Corp. Limited. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.